Sasisian part ngi pidang subhai pi barok shakanika channel kejungi bat hakanika video in pay ikini ki post ki brang shulat thamai. Subscribe ika channel kejungi but turn on your notification bell kanamba pinamdo iki videos ki bangi upload. Ka Staff Selection Commission lani ke SSC kala pelai ikini ki group B but group C post mentau banai arajar pesau. Ka pelai hadok kanyo ajar nyau spa arpo nyau teliki vacancies but ka last date lani ka tarik bakado bapilapan sama ki applications kareo arpesau tarik banai Julai arajar arpesau. Ka post ka beningkong kadai Assistant Section Officer group B ka department kadai Port Central Secretariat Service ka age limit kadai arpos 6 hadok lai pos 6. Ka post ke bahar kadai Assistant Section Officer Group B ka Department kadai Port Intelligence Bureau ka age limit kadai kat pras 6 hado lai pos 6. Ka post ke balai kadai Assistant Section Officer Group B ka Department kadai Port Ministry of Railways age limit kadai arpos 6 hado lai pos 6. Pat ke basaro kadai ke Assistant Section Officer Group B ka Department kadai Port Ministry of External Affairs ka age limit kadai arpos 6 hado lai pos 6. Kapos kebesanruk kadai ke Assistant Section Officer Group B ke Department kadai po AFHQ ke age limit kadai arpos 6 hadok lai pos 6. Kebahan Rio Assistant Section Officer Group B ke Department kadai po Officer Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology ke age limit kadai kat pras 6 hadok lai pos 6. Pat kebahan Nyo Assistant Section Officer Group B ke Department kadai ki Ministries Departments Linear Organizations ke age limit kadai kat pras 6 hadok lai pos 6. Kapos ke Bapra Inspector of Income Tax Group C ke Department kadai po CBDT ke age limit kadai kat pras 6 hadok lai pos 6. Kapos ke 9 Inspector Central Excise Group B ke Department kadai po CBIC age limit kadai kat pras 6 hadok lai pos 6. Kapos ke Bashpo Inspector Preventive Officer Group B ke Department kadai po CBIC ke age limit kadai kat pras 6 hadok lai pos 6. Kapos ke Bakhaway Inspector Examiner Group B ke Department kadai po CBIC age limit kadai kat pras 6 hadok lai pos 6. Kapos ke Bakat R Assistant Section Officer Group B ke Department kadai po Directorate of Enforcement Department of Revenue age limit kadai kat pras 6 hadok lai pos 6. Kapos ke Bakat Lai Sub Inspector Group B ke Department kadai po Central Bureau of Investigation age limit kadai arpos 6 hadok lai pos 6. Kapos ke Bakat Sau Inspector Post Group B ke Department kadai po Department of Post Ministry of Communications age limit kadai kat pras 6 hadok lai pos 6. Bat ke Post ke Bakat San Inspector Group B ke Department kadai po Central Bureau of Narcotics Ministry of Finance ke age limit kadai kat pra hadok lai pos 6. Ka salary leni ke tulap jang ke Post ke Baningkong hadok kena ke Post ke Bakat San kadai pay level 7 ke bamut 10 hajar kandai spa hadok silak 10 hajar sau spa tingkah ke Sibenai. Kapos ke Bakat Reo Assistant leni Assistant Section Officer Group B ke Department kadai po Kiwiki Ministries Bat Kiwiki Organizations ke age limit kadai kat pras 6 hadok lai pos 6. Kapos ke Bakat Nyau Executive Assistant Group B ke Department kadai po CBIC ke age limit kadai kat pras 6 hadok lai pos 6. Kapos ke Bakat Pra Research Assistant Group B ke Department kadai po National Human Rights Commission leni NHRC ke age limit kadai kat pras 6 hadok lai pos 6. Kapos ke Bakat Kendai Divisional Accountant Group B ke Department kadai Haki Office hapo ka CNAG ke age limit kadai kat pras 6 hadok lai pos 6. Kapos ke Arpau Sub Inspector Group B ke Department kadai po National Investigation Agency lani ke NIA ke age limit kadai kat pras 6 hadok lai pos 6. Kapos ke Arpaway Sub Inspector lani Junior Intelligence Officer Group B ke Department kadai po Narcotics Control Bureau ke age limit kadai kat pras 6 hadok arpunyo 6. Kapos ke Arpawar Junior Statistical Officer Group B ke Department kadai po Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation ke age limit kadai kat pras 6 hadok lai pos 6. Ka salary lani ke tulap jang kapos ke Bakat Reo hadok kena kapos ke Arpawar kadai pay level 6 ke bamut lai pusan hajar sau spa hadok silak kat hajar sau spa ak Sibenai. Kapos ke Arpulai Auditor Group C ke Department kadai Haki Office hapo ka CNAG ke age limit kadai kat pras 6 hadok arpunyo 6. Kapos ke Arpsau Auditor Group C ke Department kadai hapo ki Office hapo ka CGDA age limit kadai kat pras 6 hadok arpunyo 6. Kapos ke Arpusan Auditor Group C ke Department kadai hapo kiwi pat ki Ministry bat kiwi ki Departments ke age limit kadai kat pras 6 hadok arpunyo 6. Kapos ke Arpun Reo Accountant Group C ke Department kadai Haki Office hapo ka CNAG ke age limit kadai kat pras 6 hadok arpunyo 6. Kapos ke Arpunyau Accountant Group C ke Department kadai hapo Controller General of Accounts age limit kadai kat pras 6 hadok arpunyo 6. Bat kapos ke Arpupra Accountant lani Junior Accountant Group C ke department ke hapo ki ministry lani ki departments ke age limit ke dai kat prasnam hadu arpunyo snam. Ka salary lani ko tolop jong ko post ke ba apply hadu ke ko post ke ba pra ke dai pay level 4 ke pemon arpkana hajar aspa hadu kandai po araja lai spa akshibnai. Kapos kepa Kandai Postal Assistant dan Sorting Assistant Group C ke Department ke Department of Post Ministry of Communications ke age limit ke dai kat pra hadu arpunyo snam. Kapos ke Balai Po Senior Secretariat Assistant dan Upper Division Clerks Group C ke Department ke ki Central Government Offices lani kiwi pat ki ministries like nak ke CSCS gadas ke age limit ke dai kat pra snam hadu arpunyo snam. Kapos ke Balai Puwai Senior Administrative Assistant Group C Department ke Military Engineering Services Ministry of Defence ke age limit ke kat prasnam hadu arpunyo snam. Bat Kapos Tax Assistant Group C Department ke CBDT ke age limit ke kat prasnam hadu arpunyo snam. Kapos ke Balai Pulai Tax Assistant Group C ke Department ke CBIC age limit ke kat prasnam hadu arpunyo snam. Bat Kapos ke Balai Pusau Sub Inspector Group C ke Department ke Central Bureau of Narcotics Ministry of Finance age limit ke kat prasnam hadu arpunyo snam. Ka salary leni ka tulop jong kapos ke ba arpkandai hadu ke kapos ke Balai Pusau ke pay level 4 ke pemon arpusan hajar sanspa hadu prapoi hajar sispa akshibnai. Ki age relaxation ki longkum ne yaki schedule caste leni schedule tribe candidates ke age relaxation ke sansnam yaki other backward classes ke laisnam yaki persons with disability unreserved ke shipostnam yaki persons with disability OBC ke khatlaisnam but yaki persons with disability schedule caste leni schedule tribe ke age relaxation ke khatsansnam. Ke educational qualification dagamenta ke post Junior Statistical Officer kadai kumne peladiban pendap ya ka bachelor's degree hakono ka subject na ka recognized university lani institute but pediru banyo 100% marks haka mathematics haka 12 standard level lani haka class 12 lani peladiban pendap ya ka bachelor's degree hakono ka subject but pediru banchim ya ka statistics kum ka way na ki subjects ya ka statistical investigator grade 2 peladiban pendap ya ka bachelor's degree hakono ka subject but pediru banchim ya ka statistics kum ka way na ki subject habarok ki hendrotali ki semester haka graduation ke jongpi ya ka post research assistant in National Human Rights Commission ke educational qualification kalau kumne peladiban pendap ya ke bachelor's degree na kono ka recognized university lani institute ken kam I preference gitu ki badan minimum 6 research experience bat gitu ki badan ka degree haka law lani human rights bat gitu ki pat ki post ke educational qualification kalau kumne peladiban pendap ya ke bachelor's degree na kono ka recognized university lani institute ki candidates ki balik ya ke final year jangka graduation jong kiru kila ban apply tambah peladiban pendap ya ke qualification shwa lani haka shitarik berai August arajar apsau. Ki candidates ki belum eligible bagi buku aban apply kini ki post pihak ban apply online link baka SSC recruitment portal ya ke link jong kene ngal iPod description jong kene ke video.